Welcome to Technoland Expart. In the ever-evolving world of digital commerce, template design plays a crucial role in defining the success of online businesses by influencing user behavior, driving engagement, and maximizing conversion rates. And this is evident through numerous real case studies that show how strategic design decisions directly impact sales performance. The foundation of a high-converting e-commerce template lies in its visual hierarchy, intuitive navigation, responsive design, emotional appeal, and optimization for both desktop and mobile experiences, ensuring users feel confident and motivated to make a purchase. For instance, the global fashion brand ASOS improved its conversion rate by redesigning its product pages with cleaner visuals, larger images, and faster checkout processes, leading to a 12% increase in sales within 2 months, showcasing how minimalism and accessibility improve user experience. Similarly, Amazon's data-driven design emphasizes usability with its one-click checkout, product recommendation algorithms, and prominent call-to-action buttons that use contrasting colors to guide the buyer's journey, proving that trust and simplicity convert more than cluttered designs. Another case study from Gymshark, a fitness apparel brand, demonstrates the effectiveness of visual storytelling. By using full-width lifestyle imagery, influencer endorsements, and motion-based content, they increased user engagement by 20% and doubled average session duration, reflecting how emotional and aspirational design can elevate brand identity. Warby Parker, known for its eyewear, adopted a personalized try-on feature using AR integrated within a clean, minimalist layout, resulting in a 45% improvement in add-to-cart rates, emphasizing that interactivity and personalization enhance user confidence. The role of color psychology also appears strongly in conversions. For example, Shopify stores using color-optimized templates with consistent brand tones, clear contrast for CTA buttons, and warm hues and trust badges reported conversion improvements between 15 to 25%. Zappos, by redesigning their product filters and improving whitespace, reduced bounce rates by 18%, proving that an intuitive layout that reduces cognitive load directly impacts customer retention. Similarly, Airbnb's e-commerce booking system evolved from a cluttered interface to a sleek, photo-first design that focused on emotional storytelling through large imagery, resulting in a 30% increase in user engagement and booking confidence. In addition to aesthetics, speed and responsiveness are paramount. Google research indicates that a 1-second delay in page load time can reduce conversions by 7%, which is why Nike's mobile-optimized template with adaptive image loading and quick add cart buttons increased mobile transactions by 20%. The principle of F-pattern and Z-pattern reading design, when applied in e-commerce templates, aligns with how users visually scan screens.